Welcome back to our HTML5 for Beginners crash course. In this video, we are going to talk about HTML elements and tags. HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is the language that powers the structure of every web pages on the internet. Understanding HTML elements and tags is like having the key to building and formatting web content. To start, let's talk about the HTML tag. This tag is like the container that wraps your entire web page. Inside this HTML tag, we have two crucial sections. We have the head and the body. The head section contains meta information about your web page, like the title and link style sheets. The body section is where you put all your content that your visitors will see. Now, when you put text or images inside the body of your HTML document, you do that by using various HTML tags. For example, you can use the H1 tag to create a top level heading, which is like saying this is the most important part of my web page. But that's just the beginning. We'll explore a whole bunch of these tags, each with its own unique purpose. For creating paragraphs, we have the P tag. Want to create a link to another website? That's what the A tag is for. And when you want to display an image, there's an image tag. By the end of this tutorial, you will not only understand how these tags work, but also how to use them to structure your web pages and create a content that stands out. And here is the best part. HTML is all about simplicity and versatility. You don't need any special software, just a text editor and a browser. That's all you need to get started. So, are you ready to dive into the world of HTML elements and tags? By the end of this video, you will be well on your way to creating amazing web pages from scratch. If you're excited to learn, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any episode on this crash course. Can't wait to see you as we continue our journey through HTML5. Until then, happy coding. Thank you for joining us on this our adventure. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep coding.